self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Been ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Just finishing off my sandwich. Who we got in? DXY's Seal of Salmon. 100 pips on pound JPY. DXY's left running through the night and just closed. Nice. Awesome. Good morning, Daniel, Mr. Peters, Hugo, Discord Glasses, Zan, Abdul, Zen. Nice and early from Zen. Alonzo, Mbassa, FOMC Chop. Yeah, FOMC's minutes was interesting. Yesterday we made 552. However, we broke quite a few trades into smaller trades. So we had to pay a few fees. So we made 492. Still not bad. Let's see. Oh, you can't see it there. So just $8 off our target. Can you see it? Might have to bring it up a bit. Then you can see it now. So 492. Look at all that repositioning. I mean, it was really good. We did a bit of forward testing, like we said. Yatin, Tech Hooked, Rafa, Marcel's in the house, Pop, Evan. Hello everyone. Murray, Stevio, Zen, nice and early, was waiting for you and liked the stream before I even started. Bonus points for Zen. Okay, let's look at price action. Actually, let's check where we are on our funded accounts. New window. We've got 18 minutes till the open. Prices are kind of pushed up. Give me one sec, guys.
Where's the keys?
Oh, another thing is your mom said that she thinks you took her keys.
Use the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, but how do I know it's in Greek? I don't know how to add it to
The keys are in the car.
Her keys.
The keys of the car. Two more seconds, guys. Just need to sort out family stuff. Okay, hopefully that's been sorted. Let's have a look at our accounts. So we have the bootcamp, and oh, it's getting close to 1,000 on that. The funded account, which is traded as a copier. Nearly 80% completed for the next. I want that win rate to go up. We're still at near 3 profit factor, which is good. Now let's look at the instant fund. They call it hyper growth now, I think. Oh, that's new. Freeze account. You can pause this account one time for up to 20 days. All right, let me do one more thing. So about 50% on this. We need to reach 2,000. Obviously, we've hit the highest profits on this. We've got 10 minutes to the open, so we need to get ready. Trading view. Pound USD. Whoa, look at that S&P gap. Okay. Still haven't hit that 61.8 that we said. So highly likely that happens today. If the move is up. Let's get previous day. Is it one of those days where the equilibrium is the same? I don't think so. Okay. News. What's on the news? News-wise, we've got 11:30 is the first news coming in, which is in 2 hours, something that we're gonna see. The weather, 28 degrees, sunny all week. Look at that. USD has been dropping. New York time, 3 a.m. Where's Bruce? Bruce has been slacking. Pameligo, manos furre. What's furre, manos? Toponimo. My fellow Greek has joined the stream. Embasa is testing the current price. I have put my version on Yen as a strategy in an EA that will calculate repositioning, open, close positions, and so automatically. Nice. Approach change in Asian China. Right, let's talk about, because yesterday, like I said, I've been forward testing slightly different approach, because even though we've made money last month, something has changed in terms of the volatility of the pound dollar, catching the lows and the highs, even though it would have worked yesterday. Hello, Hrako. It wasn't the easiest, was it? So we want to see how we're going to work that. Give me 1 second. One last second. What a busy morning. Kalimera Manuso. Taking the highs. We've set previous daily high, daily low. I promise that was the last time I was talking out there. The high's been taken. What we're going to look at is this. Greetings from Bulgaria. Coco DM. Fair value gap. We're on the 15-minute. We'll tune up now soon because there might be nice opportunities. Taking the high now. In premium. Leslie, morning Yanis, thank you for introducing the positioning to us. I don't fully understand it yet, but the little I know saved my day yesterday. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. $11 pip open so far. 2 minutes to go. Don't need this. We're still in that Fibonacci. When you see yellow background, it's because we're still, if we zoom out on the monthly, we're still in that golden zone. We're in that retracement of this move. Broke above the 23. Pushed above the 38, consolidated and hit the 50, failed about 1, 2, 3, 4 months. And now we pushed higher, first attempt to 61.8. That's why we're anticipating another break upwards. Fair values above, monthlies, 129, big strong number. 76.4 is then the 134s. So we'll see. I do like the upwards movement. We're very close to the 61.8. So it'll be nice if we can find a nice little entry. Fivers only work with the MT5, that's correct. Any trade? No trades yet. We're just waiting for the open now. 1 minute to go. Hopefully it would give us a bit of a drop. If not, I'm going to be waiting for the 168 to be hit before we consider any type of shorts. How are we doing on the likes? 33 likes. We can do better than that. People have not woken up yet. All my code is in MT4. I do think they accept MT4. Let's have a look. Might have to go. Trading resources. Trading tools. MT5. No MT4. All right, nice push down. Let's see where it's going. All right. You're on the 1 minute. I like this. I'm gonna add a 0.5. As you notice, I've broken my lots into halves. So this is technically half of my half lot. Because I normally get in a position with a 2 lot. That's the fair value gap now. We'll see how far down it gets to. If it does. Did it take the lows? Need to update the results. Good day yesterday. $492. Today we are in on 127038. Time frame does play a role when you look at things, because if you look at this on an hour, I guess you have this fair value gap there. What was I looking at? 15. It looked a bit messy. Look at this. Nothing clean. It took that fair value there, but nothing crazy clean. But if you go on the 1 minute, you can see what the picture is. My bias, like we discussed, was long, so I just got an excuse to get in. Is it quite high up? Let's see. It's in discount. Not a bad entry. Let's put it in. It was 127.038. We call this the worst entry. We need to include in there I need to make a folder because I keep looking at for these guys. New folder, units, and we have this guy, this guy, this guy. Price came down, now pushing a little bit up. That's about 4 pips on a 1 lot, but it's half because we've got half a lot in there. Zen says, hi Jan, it's great work as usual. Here is the thought. Why not tweet once at the start of the day about your bias of all the day? Or maybe pin comment. That will help us while trying to decode. I kind of disagree with that. I would never want someone to find out bias from me. I wouldn't want you to have a bias on your bias, if that makes sense. Can you see? The problem with this is you can't see the bottom side, can you? Maybe that's better. So in terms of bias, I gave you a justification of what I'm looking at. But I would like you to come here and say my bias is this because I think this, this, and this, and then we can discuss it. What's the phrase? Teach someone to fish and he will never be hungry again. But give him a fish, he will only eat the fish that he's received. Here comes the price down. What happened? Price pushed up into this fair value gap and now is testing lower. Taking out the lows. This must be the full fair value now. Oh, not yet. Maybe a slight delay. Let's hide that history. Bit of spread there. I got in there as my... So now we've broken the one position into two. That lot size. And that's a nicer entry there, but whatever. Now we need to bring... Let's put the result in. Second entry at 1.27015 long. It's time Ragnar's in the house. The reason is because we've got 2 units. Well, it's 1 unit broken into 2 taking place. So we need to go onto our charts and look on what's gonna happen with our units. We have this one here. This was 27. Could have repositioned that. A bit picky by not paying 150. Let's put that in. In case we're not watching it. So that is 127015. Touch that fair value gap. Now, this is not the worst entry. This is going to be the repositioning entry. So, let's find some units. Where are my units? We have deployed these guys. Tell you what, we need a bit of a different music for this. Where is it? We need to take this guy. We need this guy. We need him here. Doing a bit of a remix. So, worst units have gone in. Can't call them worse. Vanguard. This is our first entry. We've broken them into 2. Our 1 lot. Now, our second units are reinforcing our position. Quite close, quite tight in that fair value gap. Ragnar's decision with 1/2. Oh no, we didn't put 2 there, we put 1. So we've got this half and this half. So quite low extent, am I right? Yeah, just 0.5s. We're positioning, getting ready for battle. Now these guys' aim is to reposition these guys. As we get lower into discounted area, we can start looking at the main units taking over. But for now, we've sent some scouts in there, testing the price, some solid units to go and have a look to reposition. Ah, no, killed that early. What was that? Oh, $7. Damn it. I am OCD with these things. Wait, 250? No. Oh, that's annoying. Oh well. We'll recover it. I was thinking of Ragnar too much. That's not a nice reposition. $7 expensive. $7 plus the commission. Yeah. Ragnar, wake up. So we repositioned these guys for like $7. Now this has become our worst entry. We can move the reposition out of the way. This is our worst entry now. Getting closer onto that fair value gap. So the reposition is waiting. We deploy our units quite out. Odin is coming to support the units. You wait. You wait. That has made me pissed. That $7 reposition. Come on, Yanis. Ragnar, we'll call you in a bit. We need some cool music. Okay. Fair value gap filled on the top. Six pips. Right. We're thinking of the long game, guys. Don't look at these profits. This is our worst entry. That means we're anticipating a drop. But what we did is just reposition that really badly for $7. Okay, it's not the worst. But now we're here, and our risk is only 12 pips. Really good position. If this decides to come down, take out sell side liquidity of this area. We only have half a position in. If this half position delivers like 20 pips, like $100, then we'll take it. If not, we can reposition. So the reason I wanted to get in there is to have a foot in the game. Now, if we're gonna hit that 61.8, we want to be a part of that move, but we don't want to be a part of a move with higher risk. If I went in with my 2 lots, yes, now we would be, what's that? That was $120, but the risk is higher. Nice little fair value gap now been developing. Took out the high, pushing back into this fair value. Let's zoom in a little bit. Nice price action. In this area here. This is going to confirm now. It's going to do a OTE. After the 61.8, then the plan needs to, we need to assemble the units and have a good discussion of what we think potentially can happen, because this is the 3rd time it's hitting the 168. Dun dun. That Ragnar app thingy is legit. Ragnar's always legit. Is it gonna take the highs? It is. Is it gonna push higher? Let's see. This is now $50 on a 0.5, so that's 10 pips on that. Let's take that. I'll tell you why. I don't think we're gonna break higher yet. So we're in this area here. We broke structure, came back, touched fair value, came down, broke below, came back up, filled this area here. So everything is showing a nice continuation lower. That would give us a better price. So we just took like $50 out of that with a half position, so low risk, and we can reset. If this was breaking above this and we were at $50, then we could hold it. But so far, everything is showing that this can be a continuation lower. Until it proves us differently, we have the option to take the profits, sitting on $121, $7 from this morning. Like always, we forwards test. Let's see. If it breaks higher than this, then we could hold it. Information for the future. It's touching my line now. Still hasn't broken the high. Still hasn't taken the broken high. It's probably now it's taken that high. Is it gonna take this? Let's see if we were right to kill that trade early or not. Maybe I was a little bit greedy. I wanted to take a better price. It's taken the highs. There's the reaction. It looks weak. Looks weak. Oh well. We should have held that. Shoulda, woulda, shoulda. Now we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. It's okay. We took 10 pips out of that move. I did check the DXY this morning. I'll give you an update on that. Let's look at this price action first. We're hitting these highs. 1, 2, 3. Good indication here. Strong candle. Volume candle. All right, looks like we're gonna have to wait. $61.8 fair value gap up here on a weekly 129 target. How far are we? 168. Not bad. Not too far. Nice break above now. Like a nice confirmation. Let's see if it gives us something. This is what we saw. Someone might say, why did you not hold that? This is where I always think of risk. I don't think of profit. Okay? There was a risk of this filling this fair value gap after this break here to continue lower. Now you could say you only had half a position, so you could have held that. Yes, probably should have held that. It would have given us, what's that, 30 pips, so 10 would be 50, $150. Still not crazy money. This could be the Judas move. Let's see. 31 pip move, nice movement today. That's good. We do want to see it pushing higher. There's two things here. It's either going to give us a nice price to continue higher, or it's going to go higher and it's going to give us new opportunities for the short side. Results, we need to clear them out. That we closed -$7. Repositioned. June. Boop. Ba ba ba. This long we closed for $50 exactly. Right. Price coming down. It's looking quite shallow. Nice fair value gap there on the top of this. How far is that? That would be 30. Still not bad. We don't chase stops though. But that was nice. Look at this. Consolidation, took the high, came back, filled this fair value, and it given you 24 pips. Nice. What did we kill it? We killed it like 10 pips down here. Up to this point. Filled this fair value. So we missed on an extra 10 pips. So we would have had $100. Why you decrease your lot size? I've lost some lives. I've not decreased. It's the same one, but my one lot, because I'm testing something new actually, we've got entries around equilibrium, which I don't like trading much. So when we're doing something new, because the market has been behaving different in the last 4 weeks, so we're testing some things out. It's always better to decrease size in terms of how you manage it. Now I want to get up to 2 positions in, which is 4 lots really. So 1 is low risk, 2 lots spread out in 2 is my main entry. The second 2 lots adds up to 4 lots. That will be my main sort of plan. But now I've broken those. Instead of just repositioning the ones, I'm also repositioning the ones. So instead of having, it's getting complicated. Instead of having, let's do it with units, it's easier. So let's say 1 unit is half a position. Okay? What I normally do, I add 2 of these as my 1 lot. That's my position. But I allow myself to do up to 2 lots as an entry. So that's my max that I can do in 1. So 1 here, 1 here. So what I'm doing now, instead of placing 1 and 1 at the same place, I'm just placing them at a different price and keep doing this. Dropping it down, getting better price, getting better price, getting better price. When the structure of the price changes and we're low in discount, then I can add my second lot. So it's the same opportunity with a decreased risk. I hope that makes sense to you. It makes sense to me. We've gone the 1 hour. We're still pushing up. Look at this though. Lower highs. Lower highs and an equal low, which means squeezing. That's what I like about trading. You have the freedom to do whatever you want. You can trade this, you can trade that, you can close that, you can test this, you can change this. There's no one can tell you don't do this. The power's right within. Now we've had this here, breakdown. This low is what needs to break. So this price came back up into fair value gap, filled that. There it is, fair value gap filled now. So this is breaking the structure. Let's have a look at a fib. Just broke 23, highly likely to go to the 50. Pop says you have the freedom to be disturbed by everyone because they think you're not really working. I don't think I'm working. Otherwise I wouldn't be doing the lives. You guys will be disturbing me with your questions. I feel like trading is, yes, it provides you the money and everything. There we go, 50 being hit. Nice little Judas move there. $127. That's a nice entry. I doubt it would give it to us though. Let's see. In the golden zone, going for the 6 to 1-8. Fair value gap's been filled. Just a little bit deeper would be nice. 76.4. Let's add that one in. Description. 76.4. Spot on the 61.8. It's going to come back up, fill this area here. Let's add this in. 76.4. Now we know that. Oh, come on. We can delete this. It's gonna fill this here. Just touched it now. Little pin bar there, little red pin bar. Why don't you trade pound yen? Why should I trade pound yen when I can make the money with pound dollar? It's like going to a team that wins championships every year and they say this coach is going to win you the championship every year, but why don't you try Mourinho? He's got a different style. It could be easier, it could be better, but I'm winning the championship. Why should I change it? Food for thought. Fair value gap filled. Now we're going to break the lows. Taking the lows. Or is that equal? Equal lows. In fairness, pound, yen. There's a lot of friskier during Bali time. I agree. When we're in Bali, we might have to be fair, I do like the time of trading in Bali. Here it comes. Nice little push now. 76.4, not broken yet. Ba ba ba. I'm in Thailand and I traded lots. Makes sense. Asian currencies when you're in Thailand. Nice little reaction now, taking the lows. There is another one that's going to be filled right there. Any moment now. There it comes. Fair value gap not filled yet. Did it touch it? No. However, it's breaking the lows. Let me adjust. $76.4 coming up. One, 2, 5s, 1, 2, 6. In the 40s. Ba bam. Let's get those wins in as well, guys. If you are using repositioning or anything that we've discussed, let's share it to the community. Drop me a message on Instagram, theconscious.daytrader, and we'll get you up there. $64 taken. Just gonna add a little bit there. Half a position. What's the high? 60, 80, probably 100. 95. Dun, 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 dun. Where are we? Yanis, are you a Brit or just lived for a long time in the UK? I'm new here and do not know your short story. Mum's English, dad was Greek, and I lived in Greece until I was 18. and then moved to the UK for university. Just receiving Manusa's nice little picture there. You're definitely going to share that one. You don't want to be shorting. My bias is long. I do think that we're retesting this area here at some point. However, yes, there is short opportunities as we're getting these lower highs, and we're still in that golden zone of retracement. Both, you can find money in both ways. There's no right bias. If you longed that move up, you made money. If you shorted that move down, you made money. I'm a 28-year-old boomer with no Instagram, but I do use the concept of repositioning, fine tuning, and just... Good stuff, Evan. Right, so we're back into this area here. Now that's my one lot in. Bam, bam, ba-da-da-dam, ba-bam. Ooh, sorry. Having a kid, sleep deteriorates. This is a fair value gap that didn't get filled when we had the push up. This one here. And it's being filled now. To the pip. Bam, bam. We're getting close to a full retracement of the price up. Hopefully we'll do a better reposition this time. So we're just going to do that until we get at the lows. Let's look at the lows. These lows here. That swing. If we get down here, then we'll start trading our normal size. Look at that doji candle though on the 1 hour. We looked at news, but what was it? Actually, let's put that. Let's recover what we lost. So $8. Hopefully that reposition will be better. So we have, don't want the lows, 11:30, S&P Global, CIPS, Construction PMI, Purchasing Managers Index. So it's basically how much has been bought in the construction industry, materials and everything. Can impact the performance of financial markets, particularly equity and bonds. High news, ADP National Employment Report. That is big. Previous was 278, a huge increase. The forecast is 160, so they're anticipating a drop. Now imagine that, if suddenly it's a big number. Everyone freak out. The Fed will be running in circles, throwing all their books. Look at that fair value gap fill. Alright, we killed that. So now we've got that, the worst. With this new as you can see, I'm going to be repositioning a lot, so it's quite hard to put in the results, all the trades. But let's put this one in, 127079 long. What did that cost us? 0. The perfect reposition. What was the commissions? $225 for a 50. So is that 0 because of that, or 0? So minus 2 to 50. I need to check that. So 24.92 current. Uh, 15 minute. Five minute. Hope you hold this time. I will hold it now. This is the official worst entry at 127,080. I did like the 127,000, but if we reposition it, then we might get that with the worse. Let's look at DXY. We've left it long enough. Look at that pit. Boom. Right in the middle. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. Nice. Nice. Right. Nice. D. Let's kill all this stuff. 138.14. 103.814. I'm gonna write that in the comments. 103.814. Ignore it, it's just for me. Let's delete everything. So 103,814. Discord update. I didn't get to meet him yesterday because I had to go to the hospital. But I will. He needs to tell me all these bots, what these bots do, and how everything works. So I do need to meet him. Previous day. Nice. Nice little impulsive candle there. Where can this go? Obviously we want to go to 168. Brain freeze. Just tuning myself up. Getting everything tidy. So we want USD to be weak. So far, so good. Right, so at what price is 61.8 level? Let's have a look. Price label should be there. 127352, I believe. Oh no, sorry. One 27523. Yeah, I like this. I like this. Euro USD, dollar. Let's add these in for you guys. I know you like it. Below previous daily low. Gold. In that weekly fair value gap. And pound. Good old pound. We need to break this formation. This here. If we break it, we're highly getting there. Highly likely. Up to these highs. Thanks for that. Mine is a bit out on 127581. Make sure you're on the same broker. This is on FXCM. Obviously, it'll be different if we do it on the MT5 or the fivers. Let's have a look at this. In that fair value gap now. I'm gonna stick to keeping this as my worst entry. I was thinking to add on this or this. I'm just gonna stick with this. Play it safe. So we're gonna be adding below the 0.5. Do I expect a drawdown? I don't expect it. I plan for it. So this profit is telling me nothing right now. I'm only half a position in. If this keeps working this week, this new way of entering around equilibrium, then we can go back to increasing the size to 1. 1 now, we would be $160 up. Having a 0.5 entry gives it easier to manage your positions. I need another coffee. I think I'm gonna have to run and grab a coffee, guys. I'm sleepy. Do you want me to leave this or the be right back? I taken a loss. What do you prefer? Should be more than 5 minutes. Let's grab that coffee. Do you prefer the price action here? I'm sure you prefer the M25. I will be trading from the phone if something happens. Leave the chart up, says Adam. Okay. 200 people in, 77 likes. How does that make me feel? Come on, let's do a push. Everyone press a like now. You can do it. Let's do it. 78. All right, let's do. Ragnar gonna do best, and then I'm gonna go for a coffee. I'm gonna treat myself with a coffee. Let's go. Let's press some likes. We need our. Where's the Viking music? Oh no. There he is. There he is. I'm calling Odin. I'm calling those likes. Let's hit those likes. Only with Ragnar. Only Ragnar will do it. Calling Thor. We can do it. Let's break the records today. Price is going up. We're loving that. Likes are going up. We're loving that. Here we go. The last push. Hold. Hold. You know what movie that is? Not Viking. 125. I'm gonna go for a coffee. That one, we can do it. 122. 3 more likes. Damn. Ragnar is strong. Ragnar is strong. Calling in all the gods. There we go. Thank you, Ragnar. Ragnar delivered. Ragnar delivered. Appreciate that, guys. Look at price. 20 pips. Remember, we're in a half position here. Yes, Ragnar. Ragnar. I underestimated the power of Ragnar. Suddenly the gods just came and flooded the likes. Can't argue that. All right, I'm gonna grab a coffee. If we've made $1,000, let me know. On a half position. That would be epic. Right, taking Ragnar, and I'll be right back. Okay. Promoting Los Cabos Mexican bar. Good coffee. Price retracing. Didn't break the highs, unfortunately. We didn't go to the moon. We could have added to this after a little walk. Oh, that sounds good. Can't beat it. Okay. I'm gonna stick to it, guys. We're not gonna add until it retraces fully. And the area that we're interested in to adding is down here. What have I missed? Did we hit 500 likes? Someone say. Hey, pretty new to this channel. Just want to ask, how do you use fixed lot size like you? Because never stop loss is the same. Oh, see. I don't subscribe to a fixed stop loss. It works for someone else. My way of trading. Actually, let's see what we haven't put any information in from this month. So we need to go here. Custom period. Let's go from the 1st until now. We've made $1,000. Not bad considering we had the 4th of July in there. Orders, export. We need our good old TradeSync, our overpriced journal. I do like it though. We're making money. We can buy something like this. We can splurge. That was the last month. This is the worst month I've had. $4,650. 8K. We had a couple of 10Ks before. We're gonna make that. We're gonna fix that. Gonna fix that this month. Not bad though, right? 4.5K. Where was it? One click, everything's in. New month. $400 on Monday. $69 on the 4th of July. $400 and 124 today. For quite a volatile period and summer period, I'm happy with that. Can't be greedy. Khaled, price needs to go to 125,797. 7? Is that right? 25? 25? You a swing trader? What's he talking about? Let's see. 125,797. Okay, I see. So you want to sweep these lows before you go long. Not happening today. I can tell you that. I don't think we're going to have a 130 drop on a 30 pip London kill zone. That would be a big move. I would definitely be long if that was happening. Not today. Okay, I agree with that. I definitely agree with that. I do think this area here is very enticing. Ba ba ba. Never say never. You know it's going to happen, Stevio. Every time I've said a number, it's happened, doesn't it? But it's normally on the upside. And it's when we're in a big trade. So now, let's see. If I was an algorithm, that's what we need to think. ICT style. If I'm an algorithm, where's liquidity sitting right now? Look at these stops above these areas. Super nice. Fair value gap there. If I'm taking this and I get close to the 61.8, you get some exciting people on a third attempt of breaking the 61.8 on a weekly. We had the break here, failed to hit the 129s. Is this the start of the move? Breaking higher, higher lows, higher lows, higher low, higher low. Is this the consolidation? That's what I'm thinking. Zan, when do I stop? Around $500. It looks like it's been $400 the last days. But you don't see what happens out of these liars. I'm running to hospitals. Honestly, it's been crazy. These 2 months have been absolutely crazy. Price squeezing on a 5-minute chart. Let's see. Yes, you are correct. Not taking the highs, not taking the lows. That there. That there. I got a feeling that's squeezing upwards. But let's see. Where is our entry now? 127079. Yeah, we need these chill vibes. Are you ready? Nice. Let's see. Price trying to push down. We need the exciting 1 minute. It's breaking out of that squeeze. Let's see if it breaks this. Ooh, it is. It wasn't upwards, it was downwards. Now we can start thinking of our reposition. Oh, it did take the lows. Too slow there. This is... Let's zoom in. A bit slow there. What did we say? 12700. That's been hit. Ah, that would have been a nice price there. It's gonna give it to us. Zan is saying huge dump. Huge dump of 5 bips. Or does he know something we don't know? So here we go. We've got Andrew, Mac, Gyola, Ewan. Difficult name. S&P Global CIPS Construction PMI worse than forecast. What's the number? Let's see. If it's worse, that's a good thing for the dollar. Oh, I wanted that 127. So slow. That would have been an easy reposition. Could this be the next opportunity? It's holding. Maybe I do need pending orders. Have a super day. Out, baby, for 20 pips. Good man. $48.9? No, that can't be right. Is that the news? So 278. Let's see what the number is. Oh, wait. Oh, this is 47, 46.5. Forecast was 46.2. So it's better than before. So manufacturing has increased. It's worse than before, but it's better than the forecast. So that technically that is good news for the pound dollar. So the low of that candle is 126.983. Holding the price around the 127. Let's add that line. Banana. Back on our worst entry. Could I reposition that? Do I strictly trade the pound dollar? Absolutely. Oh, that would have been nice. 127. Missed the noises. Good noises. Need some coins to do the coins dropping. Decrease this. Okay. So the attempt to push price down We're still on. Now, because we missed this reposition and it's still pushing, we might have to go lower. We'll see. Because that retracement has happened now. And we didn't reposition for a better price. Slacking today. All done for the day. Nice, Anne. Good job. Good job. We need a break higher and then retracement. This fair value gap obviously is going to be filled up to a point. What do we need? We've made today $124, so we need roughly $380 to hit our target. I'm not yet convinced that we're in a good place to add our normal positions yet. This now has created nice sell side, so I think this bottom side of the fair value is nice. This is the break. If you look at this candle, %50 retracement, 61 will be equilibrium. Oh, can we break with 200 likes today? We're 60 likes away. It's possible. It's possible. DXY, what's the DXY doing? Dun, dun, dun. We're close to the previous daily high. Nice fair value gap that we've been trading in. the uptrend continues. With a bit of a tube. Taking out the highs. Just the two of us. US dollar is filling that fair value gap. Euro is hovering around the previous daily low. Really? Do we have a sell-off? Wow. Gold took out the lows. Pound dollar hovering above our worst entry. Like we said, looks like this is the break move to the equilibrium. Sell side, like we said, took out sell side pretty much to the exact top that I draw that. I don't know how that happens, but look at that. That there, fair value gap there. US dollar, another one right here. If that's going higher. Oh, it looks a bit red there, but fair value gap there. This is the original music, the one that Stig couldn't stand. Breaking above. We need some volume now. That is a nice little break there. Breaking out of this. Let's see how strong it can break. I don't know, you trade euro dollar today? I don't trade euro dollar. I just look at it for some of you guys. Put it in the list. It's been asked about it every day. And it normally has the most votes as an asset to keep an eye on. Ba 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 dee da 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 bum. Right, let's see. Poll of the day. Get involved. So the question today is, are you a funded trader? Prop funded? Are you a demo trader? Or are you self-funded? Let's see what we have. Poll is live. You can find that in the chat, the blue box. Where'd it go? So far, we have 51% are self-funded, 24%. Jimmy says soon to be funded. Self-funded with no money left. We need to fix that, Mofus. Not me personally, but you need to get your trading together. Slight signs of indications to retrace the price upwards. Zan, nice to see you here. Go and enjoy your rest. Let's see. Oh, a few funded people in here. 31% are funded. Demo 26%. Self-funded 43%. We're reaching that 7 pip move. 8 pips, filling that fair value. That 127 entry would have been nice. Let's go. Nice little break out of this tube. Be prepared for a little retracement now. $10 pips so far. We need to break out of this fair value. Break into the 1272s. We're holding that 181. One 161s. $87 votes. Wow, it's close. Self-funded 38% and equally 31% are funded and demo traders. Back in the 60s. Learn more healing about losses, says Ali. You know my mentality around that. What's the closest you've been 2.5K? Well, I've been a lot bigger than 2.5K because I had profits of 3K plus 2.5K. So that is 5.5K. And I was in drawdown of 4,800. So pretty close to a 2,500 loss. But worked it out in the end. But you need to, I think, well, everyone's different, but I can tell you what works for me. What works for me is improving and focusing on the good things that are happening. My consistency since January to have only one red day. For me, that was insane. And I'm going to improve that now. I want to make it more than 6 months. If consistency is not there, and you don't, let's say you'll have 6 months of losing days and you have one winning day, then something needs to change. But if you have a strong consistency of winning, does it make sense to ignore your 6 months of trading and focus on your one day where you managed out, but it wasn't a good day? No. Focus on what's got you there. Improve that. I did 32 lessons of the ICT 2022 mentorship. I haven't seen anything else. BT, EG looks like it will be strong coming time, so maybe GU will be weak, not too strong. We can't predict. Don't try and predict price. Trade what you see right in front of you here. Where is a good price to get in? How can you manage risk if it goes down? How can you trade it if it goes up? Don't try and predict. I don't care what price is going to do now. If it goes up or if it goes down, I don't care. What I care is that I'm going to do different things if it goes up. I'm going to do different things if it goes down. How often did you have to rewatch ICT? Did you find some stuff hard to understand? I know it clicked by 18. I only watched it once. For me, I understood the concept. I was gobsmacked how I hadn't seen the fair value before, the fair value gaps, how price reacts at these fair value gaps, how strong are the dailies, previous daily highs and the equilibrium. These were things that really, they were a strong moment where it really clicked. 12 o'clock. Let's see how the hour closes. Jump on the hour. Red candle. 2 pin bars upwards. Pretty equals on the 126999. 991. Bit of consolidation going on. How did I do my stop loss when I did the 5ers challenge? You have about 2 to 3 minutes, I think, to place your stop. I did market orders and then drag the stop. Make sure that it's below the percentage that you want. Okay, it is that time. Let's see if we can break the record today. It's that time, guys. If there's anyone in here who hasn't pushed that like button, let's go for it. Let's break records today. I haven't looked what it is. What are we on? What are we on? 153. Let's see if we get it a bit higher. 154 for Ragnar. 200. That's the aim. We've got half an hour to do it. Break records trading. Break records likes. There's one person who can do it. Is this guy. We're hitting those 60s. 158. Price has come back to equilibrium. 163, passing the 60s. Price is holding. Likes are holding. 166. Hold. Ragnar is confident. Get into the 70s. Let's see if we can hit those 70s. Calling all the Valhalla gods. I need more screens. $170s. That must be the record of the week. Odin. $169, one disliked. There's always one, guys, in there. Back on 170. Breaking in the 71s. Twan. Appreciate that. 6 months of green days is insane, bruv. You have to truly change my paradigm on what is possible with trading. That's what Twan says. I appreciate that. Appreciate the donation. 174. Ragnar has done his job again. We hit from 50s into 70s. The respect of Ragnar is true. All right, you can go back out now. Ooh. Ragnar delivers. A strong push into the 70s. It's coming, guys. The absolute record, I believe, was, I think it was 200 likes, 300 viewing. Murray says, liked it so much, I pressed the button twice. So you absolutely disliked. Right, price is coming down. We do like this 7. If it comes back down in 7, we did discuss where we're thinking of re-engaging with the chart. We do like this area here. Most likely we will add an A lot. Will it reach 127? I hope so. I think so. But we don't think here. We do think. We don't predict. We don't know. We plan for it. We're coming close to the 180s. That is close. Appreciate all of you guys. Right, let's close this poll. We've got 35%. Most of you in here, 126 votes, are self-funded. That's big. That's big. Funded is the least, 31%, followed by 34 in demo. So 128 people. Let's toast that. Where's the maths? So 35%. Big. So 44 people in here are self-funded. There's certain psychological issues that come with self-funding, which we need to address. Different psychological issues happen in demo, and different psychological areas that we need to focus. Price above equilibrium. If you do buy any Fivers accounts, guys, you can help me out. I think I have an affiliate link. Let me see. Where's the link? So I know that sometimes the link directly doesn't work from the chat, but 8188 is my affiliate link for the Fivers. Base FX, please, I beg you. I'm still struggling to understand the ICT concept. I'm restarting the 2022. Please, I just need to be trading like... Okay. So you've seen all the 2022 and you haven't understood it. How old are you? Base FX. Let's get an understanding of your situation. Hayden says, I think we've got a wedge. We have to be careful how we say that. You are correct. Got a bit of squeezing happening. Do you think learning from more techniques makes more problems or more ideas that's better for you? Every individual is different. If more information comes in and it confuses you, then it's not a good thing. If you can separate new information and focus on what works for you, then it's good. Base is 25. I would say watch it twice. Watch the 2022 twice. Watch episode 18 5 times. And see what area from there you don't understand. Do that. So watch episode 18. Write down what you don't understand. Come back on a live. And then let's discuss about it. Let's make sure you've done the work to... That is definitely something that you're not understanding. FX Mo, hi Yanis, I have great news, just passed phase 2. Thank you so much, you really helped and changed my trading career. What a legend. Send us a picture, FX. Send it on Instagram. FX Mo. I'll be waiting for your picture. I've studied 2016. Well, go and study 2022. Have you considered trying futures before? Love the content. Yeah, the thing is that things are working, so I've just stuck with the pound dollar. I like its movement. I've read the book of the pound dollar. Don't go looking for a book. I mean the price action. I get a feel what's happening. I understand the news. Just bought the boot camp yesterday. Good luck. Keep it simple. We are in the 80s on the likes. Ooh, close to that 200 like. New subscriber in the house. Let's have a look who that is. We're closing into the 300s, 5,300 subscribers. We are absolutely smashing it. This community is going to be legitimately decent. Let's say that. 9 or buts. Simple. Hard name to pronounce. Welcome. Welcome to the Conscious family. Do you think the price is in a range until NFP release tomorrow? Highs and lows. 8 pip trading range all week. What's it been today? Let's see. Got on the 15 minute. 32 pip open. So that's 30 upwards, 30 downwards, 60 pips. It's been bouncing 60 pips. I would say that's good movement to make your money. If I hadn't decreased the lot size, we would be fine to make money in this. Now this range here, 50 pip range, it's pretty good to make money. I would say it depends on what you're looking for, but if you're looking for between 10 to 50 pips, still been good. We made $400 yesterday, quite easy. How to take partials on MT5. Double click on your position. Put your volume. So I've got half a position here. If I want to take half of that, obviously its half point is 2.5, and then you can close 0.25 at that price. You can also add. It will just add a position where you are. You can sell, so close partials, you can do all. But I think the easiest way is change the volume here to a market order and close that there. Let's put it back on half. What are we on? 183. 183 likes. Let's see if we can break the records. We've got 17 likes to go. I reckon we can do it. We've got 15 minutes. We're going to ask for the help of Ragnar in the last 5 minutes. That's what we do. We break records. Become better human beings in every aspect. Mentally, physically. That's something that I need to include in the Discord. Let me remind myself that. Let's have a look at the Discord. Still need to meet with a developer to set everything up. To move all this. The Vanguard is going to have stage. I think that's where we're going to do the stage for the questions. I'm going to try it out and see if it's good. If not, oh, forum. That's quite a new thing. That's quite cool. Text. That's going to be the Vanguard Fitness. Oh, I need to sort out the design. Let's see, one. He needs to do that. I'm sure it's quite easy, but I'll let him do it. Soon to come, not far off. Frequently asked questions about stops. That's going to be up there. What's the Discord link? It's not available yet. I'm just setting it up. For the new people in here, let's have a look. We're nearly at the 90s. 188 likes. Look at that, we're close. Discord. The free version, which is going to be the community. The voice chat rooms, that's for you guys. You can chat between us after the lives. Who knows, you can meet some friends there. People that are on the same path of becoming financially free. Obviously, I'll have some moderators that will be checking language. They'll be checking for things that we don't accept in this community. We're all about bringing human beings to become better. We're not judging. That's the free version. And then the paid version, which is going to be the Vanguard. We're going to have a weekly Q&A once a week. It's going to be a 3-hour slot. And we're going to be face to face. Someone's going to come up on stage, ask the question. Everyone can hear the questions. We can all learn from each other. We're going to have the monthly book club, which is going to launch from the day we start the Discord. They're going to be bespoke conscious emojis and emotes. And also Vanguard voice and chat, which I'll jump in whenever I can. And that's for $99.99. You're right, Leslie. I've been off track. If you think of any ideas, if we have any designers in here, I would love to get some nice, for 2 reasons. One is the YouTube. On YouTube, you can have a little, when you comment on something, you can get an emoji, depending on how long you've been a subscriber. Also, let's check the price. Still there. What else? Ooh. Jesus. Tired. That's all happening in the background, guys. Right, psychology. Let's do that bit. What is the problem with self-funds? Think of a bucket. In that bucket, you have $1,000. From that $1,000 that you're trading, you can say that I'm using it fully for trading, and if I lose it, I lose it. But mentally, your brain knows that that is your money. And that money can pay for food, can pay for rent, can pay for other things. So psychologically, you're not only trading the capital, but you're trading your lifestyle. So every decision that you make of buying and shorting and repositioning is weighed up against life decisions. If this goes wrong, I might not be able to have another £1,000 to invest. What do I do then? Do I go back to my old job? Or do I need to apply for jobs? That, guys, is huge for someone who's on a demo, because he doesn't care about all these things. Or someone who's funded. Let's say you're funded on a $95 account, but they've given you like 100,000. The only thing you've invested is $95. So, like we said, it's quite different trading on your own capital from a funded capital. Every hit on the account is a do or die. And that's where you need some really solid risk management on your capital. So you plan that you don't have that psychology aspect holding you back. And that's something that we can discuss in the Vanguard in detail. So someone can come up on the stage and say, look, I'm self-funded, I've got 5K and I want to make it 10K. And we can chat the problems of that, how you can do that, what is a nice safe way to do that. Seb says, I can imagine you're on a challenge. Mine is a funded account. So on a funded account, you don't need a stop loss. This is a 260,000 account. Bam, ba, 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 bam. When we get that 300,000, that would be nice. We need to celebrate that. Come on, guys. 189 likes. We can do it. Let's hit that 200. At least the 90s. Let's get into the 90s. Like and subscribe. Most likely, most of the people in here have subscribed already and have liked already, so it might be tough. So, the only thing that I would have liked to have done better is reposition this down here on the, where did we say, the 7s there. We would have had an entry here and that would have been a lot better place. Doesn't matter though, we were a bit slow. By the time I tried to click the button, I was looking if it took the lows. We missed that, but we're good. This is not the final position that we want to make our money on. How much do I risk per trade? It's per week. I have an overall per week risk, depending on my profits. So for me, it can be anything between, depending on my profits, 2,000 to 4,000. I try to make $500 a day. We're currently sitting on $124. Still a bit of work to do. Yeah, I'm quite excited about the Discord. I've never done something like this. I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I want things to work really well. I don't want to just open a Discord and so that's why I'm taking my time to make sure everything is working well. We have a little bit of a change now. You can see that. We've been pushing down and now it's kind of like consolidating there, like starting to show signs. We'll see. It didn't give us that 127. Normally we get a bit of volatility now, 12:30. Which is 10:30 UK time. Oh, 193. 193. For the last push. We need to call in. Vanguard. Ragnar. 7 likes to hit our record. Sipping on his Greek coffee. Calling the powers. from good old Thor. We're running on $50 profit so far on a 0.5, so that's 10 pips. 6 votes to go. Let's see. Let's see if we can do it. Who's excited for Discord glasses? Let's put hands up. Kilonzo has made $2. He's out. I'm gonna stay a few more minutes to see if we hit that. 3 likes to go. Getting close. Ragnar is considering going to the Oracle. 1 vote to go. For 1 like to come, the king has to die. Have you seen the Vikings? You'll know what I'm talking about. 200 likes. Boom. Ragnar's done it again. Ragnar's done it again. And not only that, Ragnar's bringing the Odin to push the price up. He's a big man. Look at those hands up. Everyone's excited. 12 pips up on a normal position. As always, 204, breaking every record today. Good stuff, guys. As always, this live has been another great session with a lot of conscious day traders. Look at all those hands. Zen, Twister, Pop, James, Isabella, Manusos, Mr. Ed, Kilonzo. New subscriber must think this is a cult. Especially with this music. Where's the offerings? Hopefully no animals. Alright guys, I'll catch you tomorrow for a big NFP day. It's been good. See you later.
Running, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it an FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog walking big talk. veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it an FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it an FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix big steps, some opportunities, and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that moving. MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this so I